Hey guys, welcome to Instrumental Music. This is our first lesson for beginning strings. Today we're going to work on the song Hot Cross Buns. It's number 70 on page 20 in your book. Remember, if you don't have your book at home, you can use the books that I've uploaded online. Okay? So the way that these online lessons will work is I will play this song that we're working on for you first. Then we'll discuss any new or review concepts we need to know to figure out how to play it. After that, we'll go over the notes for each instrument, and then at the end, I'll play it for you one more time. Okay, so without further ado, today I'm going to be playing on the violin, and this is Hot Cross Buns, starting on F sharp. That's it. We won't do the repeat today. Okay. So, good. So Hot Cross Buns is on the same page that we were just working on before we went to our online classroom. And on this page, page 20, we're learning about eighth notes. So here I've got a couple types of notes here for you, just in a review. The notes in measure 1 are all quarter notes. So you guys know them from Miss Eisenbart or Miss Vernick's class as tas. Okay. And remember that each quarter note gets one beat. Okay. Now in measure 3, you probably noticed that I was moving my arm faster. And that's because all of those notes are eighth notes. Okay. You know them as TTs. And we talked about how to count them in class. In instrumental music class, we say one and. It's a little and sign there. Okay, so one and. So that means since they're shorter notes, we have to move our arm faster. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so the eighth notes will be shorter duration, okay? Faster arm. I don't want you to worry. It says tempo markings in your book above the song. Don't worry about that for now. We'll talk about that later. For right now, I just want you to get into playing again, okay? So now we are going to go through the notes for each group. As you guys know, or maybe you might not know because we haven't played an ensemble yet, but we do, as strings, we all play the same notes, but I'm going to go over your notes with you because the notation looks different. Okay, so we'll start with violin, then viola, then cello. You can skip to your part of the video. You don't have to watch the part that's not about your instrument, okay? So let's start with our violins here. Just going to point to the notes and sing them. Here we go. Ready? F sharp, E, D, sh. F sharp, E, D, sh. D, 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 E, 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 E. F sharp, E, D, sh. Now you may have noticed that I didn't repeat the first time I play this for you, but there is a little bow lift there above the rest, and then we would repeat it. Okay. All right. Next is viola. Okay. Ready? Here we go. F sharp, E, D, sh. F sharp, E, D, sh. D, 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 E, 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 F sharp, E, D, sh. Okay, and just like I told the violins, I didn't play it with the repeat the first time, but looking right above that rest, there's a bow lift, so you would lift your bow and repeat and go back to the beginning. I'll demonstrate that for you at the end. Cellos. Okay, cello. Here we go. F sharp, E, D, sh. F sharp, E, D, sh. D, 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 E, 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 F sharp, E, D, sh. Told the other guys that the first time I played this, I did not do the repeat. But if you look above the rest, there's a bow lift there and a repeat. So then you'd go bow lift, back to the beginning, and play it again. I'll demonstrate that for you at the end. Okay. So in terms of fingering, if you turn to page 6, this is the violin book, okay? Page 6 has the chart over here that tells you which note is how many fingers on the D string. And let's find our A string. Wait. Oh, that was the A. Oh, never mind. Page 6 is the D string. Page 10 is the A string. Okay? So if you're not sure about how many fingers for a note, look on page 6 and page 10. And if you have any questions, you just want to shoot an email to me, you're not sure, message me. And I'll help you, okay? I'll tell you if you say, I just can't figure it out, what's an F sharp? Send it to me, and I will get back to you, okay, to help you out. Any questions you have, I'm here for you. About scheduling, about how to play the songs. So this assignment is due. Normally your assignment will be due by Friday, but since this is spring break, your assignment is due by Tuesday, April 14th. That means you can either do a video chat with me this week, and some of you have already signed up, okay? So that would be a Zoom video, and that's just a 10-minute lesson. We'll just work on the song. I'll give you some feedback to help you continue practicing, and that's it. Or if that doesn't work for you, just take a video or a recording of yourself playing your Pete part and upload it to the assignment in Google Classroom. Okay, and that's by Tuesday. If you do a lesson with me, you do not have to send me a video, okay? So it's just live lesson or video, not both, okay? All right, I'm going to play it for you one more time, and then I'll sign out and let you guys enjoy practicing this and getting back into the habit of playing your instrument, having a little bit of fun. This time, I'm going to play it with the bow lift and the repeat. Okay. Watch my arm during the eighth notes as it moves a little faster. Okay. Faster. Bow lift, repeat. Rest. Faster. And that's it. Have a good weekend.